Love, प्यार, इश्क, मोहब्बत, कादल, प्रेम. Till date, no one could define what this is all about. Many youngsters, they look at a girl or a boy in the college bus stop and they say, love at first sight. I gave my heart. All of you know me. If I ask you for 1 lakh rupees on loan, without a promissory note, without a guarantor, you won't even give me 1 rupee. If that is the truth, how can you give your heart to a stranger without knowing their background? It means it's not the true love. It is a physical infatuation. So when you are in young age, when you are a youth, you getting attracted to someone is a quite natural biological process, and we call that as a love. It will take a lifetime to fall in love with someone. Secondly, understand, if physical beauty is the love, then all film actors, all people who got six-pack body, they would have been living very happy married life, but they are not. They've got many divorces, they've got multiple marriages. It means it's not going to work. Next, when you really love someone, I want that person to be with you. It's a selfishness. I like this flower, I want to pluck it and have it. Selfishness. But if I really love this flower, I'm going to nurture this plant so that flower can blossom. That's a true love. It means if you love someone, wherever, with whomever that person is there, he or she should be happy. That's a true love. And next thing is, if someone leaves, love failure, people want to commit suicide. If someone leaves you at any point in time, that means their role in your story is over. Your story will continue because it is you as a hero, it is you as a heroine, it is your story. The story will begin and end with you. Other people will come and leave you. Most important thing is, when you love someone, leave that person free. If they come back to you, he or she is yours. If they don't, they were never yours. Some people, after living 20 to 25 years in the marriage, having children, suddenly they wake up one day and they realize that they were not in love with that person. It was only a relation, a transaction. So, love just doesn't depend on physical beauty or doesn't depend upon marriage. So, with whom, when the real love comes, we have no idea. It could be a mom, it could be a dad, it could be a grandpa, it could be grandmom, it could be a teacher, it could be a neighbor, it could be your country, it could be, your soldier who had laid his life. Now that could be a love. So whenever we say love, it is only about a girl and a boy in a movie singing songs. And we think that we have to get married at any cost and we have to live life happily ever after. And with that concept, and we have been brought up and we are living in this world, and that's why when people don't get what they want, they try to throw acid, they try to kill other person, so that if you are not mine, then you cannot be with anyone else. Now that's not a true love at all. So understand one thing, that it is actually you who matter. Other people, they come and they go. So if they come into your life, how good they make you feel, and if you are comfortable in their company, if your behavior becomes very good in their company, that means he or she is the right person. Otherwise, they may be having lot of knowledge, they may be very beautiful, they may be Miss Universe, they may be Miss India, or they may be whatever. They are not going to make your life happy at all. So understand that love is eternal, love is unending. So never ever compel anyone, because few days back one person came and said that this guy had relation with me for a long time, now he doesn't want to get married. I want to do dharna, I want to do a strike in front of his house. If that guy is not wanting to live with you, how you would like to live with him for the rest of the life? Total waste. So, at any given point in time, when you understand that that person is not going to make you happy, you are not comfortable, at any point in time, you just leave that person. Let them go where they want to go. It is your life, your happiness that actually matters. So, you should be complete within yourself. without anyone else to make you complete. That is the true meaning of life. So if you understand this life, never ever you will regret love failure or marriages breakdown, relationships going astray or divorces. They won't affect you at all, because it is you who has started this life. It is you who is going to end your life. That's what actually matters. That is the true love. Okay, understand this concept. Love is so precious, and live the way you want to live, happily, with or without anyone. Now that's what I wanted to say. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.